Session 1. Now starting with session 2. आगे मेट्राइसिस मैट्रिक्स श्रेणी को मैट्रिक्स को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Now exercise 3.1. The first example of 3.1. Here given that matrix A is first row 2, 5, 19, minus 7, second row 35, minus 2, 5 upon 2, and 12. Third row is my root 3, 1, minus 5 and 17. तो क्वेश्चन છે શ્રેણિકની કક્ષા ઘટકોની સંખ્યા ઘટકો a1 3 a2 1 લખો. Here given that matrix A. Now first question, the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix, first question answer, order of the matrix here, first row, second row, third row. The number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 4. Therefore, order of matrix A 3 by 4. First question answer. Second, the number of elements. Second question, गुजराती मीडियम. बीजो प्रश्न છે શ્રેણિકના ઘટકોની સંખ્યા. Number of elements of matrix A. So 3 into 4 equal to 12. Number of elements of matrix है 12. श्रेणी के ना घटकों की संख्या 12. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, up to 12. Now, third question, write the elements. Third question, write the element. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન છે કે ઘટકો A13, તો A13 equal to A13 means first row and third column. Elements lying in matrix A. First row, third column. First row and third column 19. First row, third column means A13 equal to 19. એટલે કે શ્રેણીની પહેલી હાર અને ત્રીજા સ્તંભમાં જે ઘટક આવેલો હોય તે. તો પહેલી હાર અને ત્રીજા સ્તંભમાં ઘટક 19 આવે છે. Second A21. The elements lying in second row and first column of matrix. A21 એટલે બીજી હાર અને પહેલા સ્તંભ. તો બીજી હાર second row અને પહેલો column and first column. Second row and first column, second row and first column. The 35 answer. A21 equal to 35. Third question, A33, third row, third column element. A third row, third column minus 5. Similarly, A24 equal to second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column 12. And last A23. A23, second row, third column. Second row and third column 5 upon 2. That's first question finished. Very easy. Second example. In a matrix has 24 elements. What are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Two questions in second question. Second example, two questions. Gujarati medium જો કોઈ શ્રેણીને 24 ઘટકો હોય તો તેની શક્ય કક્ષાઓ કઈ હોઈ શકે? 24 elements. Total number of elements are 24. कुल घटकोनी संख्या 24 આપેલ છે. The 24 the factors of 24. તો 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. Factors of 24. Now given here question given 24 elements, write the possible order. The possible orders 24 by 1. The number of elements are 24. घटकों की संख्या total 24. The 24 into 1 24. Similarly another possible matrix 1 by 24. Here 24 rows and first one column. Here 1 row and 24 columns. 2 into 12 means 2 by 12 order. Order of matrix 2 by 12 possible orders. Number of elements 2 into 12 24. Similarly 12 into 2. Similarly 12 into 2 means 24. Number of row 12, number of columns 2. Similarly 3 into 8, 8 into 3. Similarly 6 into 4, 4 into 6, 6 by 4, 4 by 6 order of possible order of matrix. Now 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 with 6, 6 with 4, 4 by 6, 6 by 4, 12 by 2, 2 by 12, 6 into 4, 4 into 6 possible orders of matrix. तो शक्य कक्षाओं जेना घटक 24 होय तेवा. Now second question further. What if he has 13 elements? जो 13 घटको होय तो शक्य कक्षाओं શું હશે? Now number of elements given that 13. The factor of 13 1 and 13. 1 and 13. So two possibility. 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. Finished. Order of a matrix 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. So the number of elements here 13. The two possibility. એટલે કે શ્રેણીમાં ઘટકોની સંખ્યા 13 હોય તો તેની કક્ષા બે શક્યતાઓ છે, એક 1 by 13 અને એક 13 by 1. Similar question number 3. Same question. If matrix has 18 elements, now given that 18 elements, what are the possible orders of it can have? Same question. Here factor of 18 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Factor of 18. The possibility 1 by 18 and 18 by 1, 2 by 9 and 9 by 2, 2 by 9 and 9 by 2. Orders of matrix श्रेणीकोनी कक्षा शक्य possible. Similarly 3 into 6, 6 into 3 means 2 by 3 by 6 and 6 by 3 possible. Another question, further question, what if it has 5 elements? जो 5 घटक होई तो शक्य कक्षाओं, तो 5 एलिमेंट होई तो the factor of 5 and 1 or 1 or 5. So 1 by 5 and 5 by 1 order of matrix, possible order of matrix 1 by 5 or 5 by 1 and 5 by 1. शक्य कक्षाओं 1 by 5, 5 by 1. The third question and second question similar, very easy. Now, third question. Example number 3. If example number 4, second and third finished. Example number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A equal to Aij, where Aij equal to given first Aij equal to given first I plus j whole square upon 2. Aij equal to A. Aij equal to A. 2 by 2, construct a 2 by 2 matrix. And Aij given that point first Aij equal to I plus j whole square upon 2. So 2 by 2, 2 by 2 નો શ્રેણીની રચના કરવાની છે. શ્રેણી કે 2 by 2 નો રચવાનો છે કે જેમાં Aij I plus j નો સ્ક્વેર upon 2 થતો હોય. So given that here Aij I plus j whole square upon 2. The first A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. 2 by 2 matrix. A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column. A21 first row, second row, first column. And A22 second row, second column. 2 by 2 matrix. So first find out A11 by given Aij equal to I plus j whole square upon 2. Putting here for A11 I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. For A11 putting here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 square 4 upon 2 means 2. Now second A12. So putting here I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So A12 1 plus 2 3 square 9 upon 2. Now second row A21. Putting here I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. So I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. 2 plus 1 3 square upon 2 means 9 upon 2. Now last A22. Putting here I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. 2 plus 2 4 square 2 plus 2 4 square 16 upon 2 means 8. Determine થઈ ગયો. શ્રેણી A 2 by 2 ની રચના થઈ ગઈ. તો question 2, construct 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix is now 2 9 upon 2, second row 9 upon 2, 8. Answer. Second Aij તમારી પાસે બુક ટેક્સ્ટ બુક લઈને જ બેઠા હશો. એક્સરસાઇઝમાં એક્ઝામ્પલમાં ક્વેશ્ચન જોજો, रकम जो आप टेक्स्ट बुक लेके ही बैठे होंगे. तो टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्सरसाइज का नंबर एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 ऑफ सेकंड Aij इक्वल टू I upon j. Again matrix A equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. 2 by 2 matrix. A11 putting I equal to 1, j equal to 1, the 1 upon 1, 1. Now A12 I equal to 1 and j equal to 2, 1 by 2. A21 I equal to 2, j equal to 1 means 2 upon 1, 1. And last I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, so 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Similar third homework, easy. 4 elements of A find करवाना है. Find out 4 elements of A and putting here A11, A12 here. Given Aij in third question I plus 2j होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 2। तो होमवर्क जो होमवर्क में छोड़ता हूं वो आपको कंपलसरी जब हम स्कूल में मिलेंगे तब आपका होमवर्क चेक करेंगे। नाउ सिमिलर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, सिमिलर फिफ्थ। Example number 5. Construct a 3x4 matrix. Now 3x4 matrix whose elements are given by first Aij equal to 1 half modulus minus 3i plus j minus 3i plus j modulus minus 3i plus j। 3x4 matrix, 3 number of columns 3 and number of row 3 and number of columns 4, 3x4 જેમાં 3 હાર અને 4 સ્તંભ હશે તેવા શ્રેણિકની રચના કરવાની છે। તો ટોટલ ઘટકો થશે 12। નંબર ઓફ એલિમેન્ટ્સ ઓફ મેટ્રિક્સ 12, 3 into 4, 12। Suppose matrix A11, A12, A13, A14। First row A11, A12, A13, A14। Second row A21, A22, A23 and A24। Third row A31, A32, A33 and A34। 3 number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 4, therefore 3x4 matrix। So find out all elements of A. Number of elements of A is 12. So first find out A11। So putting here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, 1 half modulus minus 3i minus 3i, I equal to 1 plus j equal to also 1. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, modulus minus 2 equal to plus 2, therefore plus 2 upon 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2, so plus 2 upon 2. Their first element of matrix A, 1, 1 is 1 up. Now find out A12 second. So putting in Aij, I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. 1 half modulus minus 3, I equal to 1 plus j equal to 2. J equal to 2. So minus 3 plus 2, modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. The plus 1 into 1 half, the second. First 1, second 1 half. Similarly, A13, A14, find out easy. Suppose A33, the putting here I equal to 3 and j equal to 3. Suppose we want to find out A34, the putting here I equal to 3 and j equal to 4. जो A33 શોધવો હોય તો I બરાબર 3 અને j બરાબર 3 મૂકો। જો A34 શોધવો હોય તો I બરાબર 3 અને j બરાબર 4 મૂકો। અને બધા 12 ઘટક મળી જાય એટલે આ પ્રમાણે રેક્ટેંગ્યુલર એરેન્જમેન્ટ સેટ કરી દો। 1 half, similarly A13, A14, the 3x4 matrix। So very easy। I want, मैं आशा रखता हूं कि आप ये भी एग्जाम्पल कंप्लीट कर देंगे होमवर्क में। नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 6। Example number 6. Find the values of x, y and z from the following options. Number 5. નંબર 6 નીચેના સમીકરણોમાંથી x y અને z ના મૂલ્યો શોધો. जो टेक्स्ट बुक में जुओ सब स्टूडेंट्स टेक्स्ट बुक में देखो. फर्स्ट 2x2 matrix are equal. Two matrix given equal. So compare with its corresponding place. So here 4 equal to y and 3 equal to z. X equal to 1, y equal to 5. So obviously जो आप टेक्स्ट बुक में देखो क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट 2x2 given 2 matrix 2x2 both are equal. The equality 4 3x 5 equal to y z 1 5 across 6 number. To compare with corresponding elements of both matrix. So 4 equal to y means y equal to 4. 3 equal to z means z equal to 3. And x equal to 1 means 1 equal to x. That's why get find here. Easy. Similar second question. Similar third question. Do now second homework. Very easy. Obviously, orally, मौखिक हो जाएगा. Third question. x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equal to 9, 5, 7. Find out x, y, z where two matrices are equal matrix. Given two matrices are equal matrix, so compare with corresponding places, corresponding elements. અહીંયા બે શ્રેણિક સમાન આપેલા છે तो सरखावता means x plus y plus z equal to 9. First equation. Second equation x plus z equal to 5 and third equation y plus z equal to 7. Now to solve these three equations. X plus z equal to 5 putting in first, a second, a third. So putting x value of x plus z equal to 5 in 1. So x plus z equal to 5. So we get y. X plus z equal to 5. 9 minus 5 means y equal to 4. Now y equal to 4 putting here. Now y equal to putting here. So z equal to 3. And now putting value of z equal to 3 here in second number. 3 number ना समीकरण वे नंबर ना समीकरण z की कीमत 3 मुक्ता. तो x plus 3 equal to 5 means x equal to 5 minus 3, z equal to 3. So 5 minus 3. The value of x equal to 2, y equal to 4 and z equal to 3. The sixth example first finished, second homework and third solve. Now similar question number 7. Comparison. Equal two matrices are equal given that બે શ્રેણિકો સમાન આપેલા છે તો સમીકરણ સોલ્વ કરવાનું છે. તો given that સમીકરણ આપેલ છે 7 first. 7 only 7. a minus b 2a minus b 2a plus c 3c plus d equal to minus 1 5 0 13. To solve these equations, find out the value of a, b, c and d. Value of a, b, c and d find out. અહીંયા બે શ્રેણિકો સમાન આપેલા છે તો a b c d ની કિંમત શોધો. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન a minus b equal to minus 1. a minus b equal to minus 1. Second equation 2a plus c equal to 5. Compare with both elements, corresponding elements of matrix. 2a minus b equal to 0 and last equation 3c plus d equal to 13. The first and second, third and fourth. So to solve first from first and third, समीकरण 1 અને 3 ने उकेलता तो समीकरण 1 અને 3 उकेलिए. To solve equation number 1 and 3, 2a minus b equal to 0. So 2a equal to b, 2a equal to b, b equal to 2a putting here, b equal to 2a putting here, a, b equal to 2a. So b equal to 2a putting here, a minus 2a equal to minus 1, therefore a equal to plus 1. Minus a equal to minus 1, therefore a equal to plus 1. A equal to plus 1. Now putting here a equal to 1 in second number. Putting here a equal to 1, therefore c equal to a equal to 1, so 2a equal to 1, so c equal to 5 minus 2, 3. Value of now c putting here, value of c putting here, c equal to 3, so 3 into 3, 9, therefore d equal to 13 minus 9. No, 13 minus 9 means 4. A equal to 1 putting in 3, a equal to 1 putting in here. So a equal to 1, so 2a means 2, minus b equal to minus 2a. Minus b equal to minus 2, therefore b equal to 2. A equal to 1 putting here, so minus b equal to minus 2a, therefore b equal to 2a. b equal to 2a means putting a equal to 1, so b equal to 2. The value of a 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3 and d equal to 4. Finished. Very easy. Now MCQ type question. Number 8, MCQ type question. Aij m by n ચોરસ શ્રેણી હોય તો A metric Aij m by n square matrix, then options are the square matrix for square matrix ચોરસ શ્રેણી માટે number of row and number of columns are equal. The number of row here m, number of column n, therefore m equal to n. Why? Because square matrix ચોરસ શ્રેણીમાં r અને સ્તંભની સંખ્યા સમાન હોય. If row and number of rows and number of columns are equal, then matrix is said to be square matrix. Here square matrix है, then value of m by n, so value of m equal to n. Number of row equal to number of column for square matrix. Therefore option m equal to n, m equal to n is CH option. Now example number 9. Example number 9. MCQ type for example here again. XY ની કિંમતો માટે શ્રેણીની જોડ ઇક્વલ આપેલી છે. 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x equal to 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. Here given that two matrices are equal, then possible value of x, z, x, y. Here given question options. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? બે શ્રેણિક સમાન થાય તેના માટે આપણે x અને y ની કિંમત શોધવાની છે. So compare with the corresponding elements. Here 3x plus 7, here corresponding elements is 0. So 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 7 by 3. Now here 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. The corresponding element here 4. So 2 minus 3x equal to 4. Therefore minus 3x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2 by 3. Here x equal to minus 7 by 3. X equal to minus 2 by 3. Not possible. Not satisfied by equation where both equals matrix. બે સમાન શ્રેણીકો માટે x equal to minus 7 by 3 and x equal to minus 2 by 3 नॉट पॉसिबल। तो ऑप्शन सेकंड नंबर बी ऑप्शन, नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड, नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड। इफ x equal to -1/3 here 0, but if x equal to -3/2 putting here, then not 0. Here 0 equal to 0, corresponding elements are equal. Now last example of exercise 3.1, છેલ્લો દાખલો 3.1 સ્વાધ્યાયનો. The number of all possible matrices of order 3/3 with each entry 0 or 1. પ્રત્યેક ઘટક 0 અથવા 1 હોય તેવા 3/3 કક્ષાવાળા શ્રેણિકોની સંખ્યા શોધો. 3/3 મેટ્રિક, 3/3 મેટ્રિક્સ A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. આ 3/3 મેટ્રિક્સ 9 એલિમેન્ટ્સ, 9 ઘટકો છે આ શ્રેણિકના. તો 9 ઘટકો છે. તો અહીંયા આપણે એન્ટ્રી, ઓલ એન્ટ્રીઝ આર 0, 1. then first place, first row, first column, A11, the two possibilities, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. Second here, two possibility, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. Third A13. Now 9 total elements. So each element possibility of 2. દરેક ઘટક માટે બે શક્યતા છે. A13, A11 તો 0 મૂકો અથવા 1 મૂકો, અહીંયા 0 મૂકો અથવા 1 મૂકો, અહીંયા પણ 0 મૂકો અથવા 1 મૂકો. મીન્સ total number of elements are 9. તો 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 9 places દરેક માટે બે શક્યતા છે. First element A11 is 2 possibility, 0 or 1. Second matter 2 possibility, 0 or 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 9 times. So 9 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 9 times. 2 ગુણ્યા 2 ગુણ્યા 2, 9 વખત. તો 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9 means 512. 512. Answer D. Answer D. Now exercise 3.1 finished. Students, मित्रों, विद्यार्थी मित्रों, आपको याद होगा मैंने पहले सेशन में भी बोला था कि जो भी यहाँ चलाता हूँ, जो भी एक एक्सरसाइज होगी, कि कोई भी लेक्चर होगा, आप लेक्चर सुनने के बाद, देखने के बाद कंप्लीट प्रिपेयर कर लेना. आपके पास रेफरेंस बुक है, टेक्स्ट बुक है, सब है, प्रिपरेशन कर लेना. नोट, एक्स्ट्रा नोट बनाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. एक्स्ट्रा नोट बनावानी નથી, કારણ કે તમારી પાસે રેફરન્સ બુક છે જ. Already you have textbook and reference book both. Therefore, not requirement notebook. Students, revision કરી લેજો અને પરફેક્ટ કરી નાખજો. વેરી 3.1 એક્સરસાઇઝ તો ઈઝી છે. 3.1 exercise is very easy. Therefore, 3.1 next session to finish now and next session 3 session start होगा. तो मैं आपके पास आशा रखूंगा कि 3.1 एक्सरसाइज आपने फिनिश कर दी होगी. ओके, थैंक यू.